Australians love the luxury and style of the Cunard cruise brand and also love exploring the world. This trip would be a bucket lister's dream, ticking off all 4 Cunard ships: Queen Elizabeth, Queen Mary II, Queen Victoria and the brand new Queen Anne. Also ticking off bucket list destinations such as North America, Transatlantic, Southern and Northern Europe. In this video, I will share the flights, Cunard cruise ships and the countries that you will experience around the world on this epic Cunard trip. My name is Julian Rembrandt. I'm Australian and have been working in the travel promotions industry for the last 20 years. I've worked for large online travel companies such as lastminute.com, booking.com, Secret Escapes and Travelzoo. On this channel, I will share Australian travel industry updates and tricks and tips so Australians can get the best value and experience out of their next holiday. Firstly, we'll fly from Australia all the way to Seattle in the US. In Seattle, you will board the Queen Elizabeth and embark on a 10-night cruise visiting Alaska and Canada, sailing up and down the Inside Passage. Then pack your bags and we are flying across from the west coast of the US to New York in the East Coast. In New York, you will board the largest of the Queens, Queen Mary II, sailing 7 nights transatlantic to England. From London, you will fly to Rome where you will board the Queen Victoria and sail 14 nights from Rome to Trieste, visiting Greece, Montenegro and Croatia. From there, you will fly from Venice back to London. From Southampton, you'll board the brand new Queen Anne for a 14-night round-trip cruise visiting Ireland, Iceland and Scotland. Once you have completed your Queen Anne cruise, you will have your flight back to Australia. Wow, what an amazing bucket list Cunard experience. I hope you have loved hearing about this incredible holiday. If you would like to see more helpful travel updates and advice, please subscribe to our channel, Travel Tips for Australians. Thanks, guys.